What's up guys, welcome to Coderstash. In this video we're gonna learn to create a GitHub branch. So first select the main branch, then view all branches, and click new branch, give a proper name for the new branch. I'll give here book details properties and select the source as main branch, details properties, then create branch, refresh the page, and you will see all the branches, default branch, main branch, your branch, your branches, book details properties, active branches, book details properties. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.